Today we're gonna learn Semrush keyword research. Now I'm inside Semrush dashboard and I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to find good keywords and how to use AI to write your SEO articles. Now before I begin, I want to introduce you AI SEO writer called SEO AI, and it has a lot of cool features which I'm gonna show you later in this video. Right now what you want to do is go to the domain overview. Now that is the first thing what you want to do. Now let's just say I want to spy on competitor. So my competitors would be SEO Writing.ai. Okay, so I want to rank against SEO Writing.ai. These all guys are my competitors for SEO AI. Now when I scroll down, I can see the top organic keywords. Now these are all commercial keywords because they're running paid ads. Of course you can see the 1,000 change paid ads, and organic traffic, it's a 10k. That's really good. And if I go to the top organic keywords and view details, and let me just see what this has. Now speaking of keyword overview, and they have keyword variations of 1,400 keyword variations and questions 677. Now what I can do is I can simply pick these questions, or I can also go with the keyword variations. Now instead we're going to use some AI inside. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a same domain, competitor domain, against their data. Now what it does is it's going to give me keywords which I can rank for this domain. Okay, now right now you can see our keyword is right SEO. So if I scroll down, you can see personal KD is 0%. Topical authority is very high, which means it's very relevant. Okay, and then we have potential traffic 217 and potential top traffic at 1k. Now this is a really good keyword, which means if I scroll down, whenever I use AI assistant, you can see PKD, which means potential keyword density. It suggests me what keywords I should use in order to rank fast. Now the green, which means the higher the green, it's a very relevant. Now the yellows are possible, but red ones are not that relevant. Okay, difficult. Okay, now additional keyword difficult, like the AI is suggesting me what keywords I want to rank for. As you can see, how to write SEO content is not that you can but not that important, but SEO content writer is the right keyword for you to rank. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this keyword. Okay, I'm going to take this keyword, go to the SEO AI. I'm going to go into the dashboard, and you're going to see 4 different ways to create an article. Obviously the first one is a SEO blog article. It's just going to give a keyword and it's going to do the job for you. Every single thing, like a title to FAQs and every single thing. And then you have AI news article. You simply input a keyword. Based on the keyword, it's going to pull up the stories, and you can rewrite based on the stories. Okay, now Amazon single product review, and then you have YouTube to blog post. Now once I inside the SEO article, here I'm going to give a keyword. That's it, no title and nothing else. It's going to take me to waitlist, where I can choose to generate or customize the article. Maybe you want to change your internal link, or maybe add more images. So I'm going to let it default and click on generate article. So I want to show you an example of a good SEO optimized article written by this AI SEO writer, and here's it is. Now it has a table of content and the key takeaways and H1, H2, H3, and then images are very well produced, especially the image models have been better from the OpenAI. And then we have all the information is really good, and you can see even the FAQs along with the conclusion. Okay, and then we have meta description and featured image. You can directly push to WordPress or whatever the CMS you are using, including the blogger.com. If you didn't like any of this paragraph, what you can do is you can go inside the editor, the inbuilt editor from SEO, and then you simply select. It's gonna prompt you to make longer, make shorter, make list, and make table. Additionally, you can add keywords and also add external links. How cool is that? So this is our SEO AI SEO writer. Now it has a lot of features. You can see the left column right here. If I go to the blog automation and go to the integrations and click on create integration, you can see from Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, WordPress, and even custom API, you can integrate this tool into your website, and then you can automate. You can simply go to the campaigns and run the campaign, and you can customize it. And they even have AI SEO rank tracker. So it's still in a beta. Okay, so you simply click on get access and ask the support team, one random person assigned to you, and they're gonna give you an access. After that, they're gonna set you up, help you with every single thing, and then you can track how your keyword, how your blog URLs are performing inside the ChatGPT, Gemini, X, Grok, and then Claude, whatever the LLM suggesting your blog article. Okay, you're gonna see the data. Based on the data, you're gonna double down, and can really track your performance. So this is AI SEO Writer. The link will be in the description. Make sure to check that out. You can get additional 10% by using RJ10. By the way, I made a full 1-hour course on how to write blog articles for SEO, and you can check this video out.